नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम in the mathematics of class 10th NCRT. So once again welcome to all my friends and let us start the video. Here is the chapter number 3rd, linear equation in two variables, that is pair of linear equation in two variables. So let us start. Pair of linear equations in two variables. So first of all we will talk about the graphical method. Okay, so here is a linear equation in one variable. First of all I want to tell you that what is the linear equation in one variable. Okay dear, so an equation which can be put in the form a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. This is known as linear equation in one variable. But how can we say that this is linear? Because here is the variable is x and the degree of this variable is only 1. So that this equation is known as linear equation. Okay, because how can you say this is equation? Because this algebraic expression containing two sides, this is the left hand side and this one is the right hand side. So this is left hand side and this one is right hand side, and if algebraic expression containing two sides with equal sign, then this is known as equation. And because the variable is only have 1 degree, so this is known as linear equation. And but now here is two variables x and y, so this is known as the linear equation in two variable. Clear? Now what is the pair of linear equation in two variables? So next thing is our topic, our title, that is pair of linear equation in two variable. So that there these two general form, that is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, these form is known as pair of linear equation in two variable. Why pair? Because this is the one linear equation in two variable and this is the other linear equation in two variable. So this is the pair. So therefore combinedly these two equation is known as pair of linear equation in two variable. And here this pair of two equations is also known as system. Combinedly we can say that these two equations are known as system. Okay, so keep in your mind what is the system of linear equation in two variable. Now a1 a2 a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 and c2 are real numbers, which you see these a1 b1 c1 and a2 b2 c2 in both equations, these are the coefficient and constant are the real numbers. So now condition of consistency. Here is the new word, consistency. What is the meaning of consistency? Means if a system means pair of linear equation in two variable. If a system have solution, then we can say that system is consistent. And if a system have no any solution, then system is known as inconsistent. So clear that what is the consistency? I want to once again repeat that consistency mean if a system have any solution, then that is known as consistent, and if a system have no any solution, that system is known as inconsistent. Okay, now here is some conditions for consistency. If from these two equations, that let us, this is equation number 1 and this one the equation number 2, then from these two equation by comparing a1 and a2, the ratio of a1 a2, these a1 and a2, b1 and b2, c1 and c2, A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, then the system have unique solution. And unique solution means, dear, the system is consistent. Therefore, the system is consistent. So, it is clear, if the system have any solution, then the system is consistent. So this is the first condition. Now moving for next one, this is the second condition for if A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. In this case, system have no solution. Then system have no solution. And if system have no solution, it means the system is inconsistent. Therefore, the system is inconsistent. So dear, here the system have no solution, it means the system is inconsistent. Okay, inconsistent. Now the third one condition. If A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2 means all the ratios are equal, then the system have infinitely many solutions. So this is clear. This system have many solution means some solution. It is clear. Many solution, infinitely many solution means system is consistent. Therefore, the system is consistent. If one solution, then system is consistent. If two solution, then the system is consistent. And if system have infinitely many solutions, therefore the system is also consistent. But if a system have no any solution, then we can say that the system is inconsistent. Okay. Now moving for next thing. Third, how can you say that? How can we solve graphical method? What is the condition of graphical method? So here is first things that if the graph of the two equations of the system intersect at a point, the system is said to have a unique solution. That is, the system is consistent. Lagay mo ba yan? So, pilipan ko ba? So dear, if the graph of the two equations of the system intersect at a point, the system is said to have a unique solution. That is, the system is consistent. So how can we say from the graph the system is consistent or have a unique solution? So see in this graph, this is a x-axis, x and x dash, and this is y and y dash. If in this graph, let one equation represented by this line, as you see, and the second line is represented as you see then this intersection point is represent the solution of the system, that is given two equations. Let us, this is the line for equation number 1 and this is the line for equation number 2. So this intersection point shows that the solution, that is the graphical solution, and it means this is a unique solution and the system is consistent. Okay, now moving for next one. Yes, if the graph of two equations of a system are two parallel lines, the system is said to have no solution. That is, the system is inconsistent. So keep in mind, if two lines are parallel, means there are given two equations, and if we draw the graph for two equations and you will get the parallel lines, such as, let us, this is the situation. Represented as x-axis and a negative x-axis direction, y positive direction, and y-axis negative direction. And here if we get two lines such as, and second line and here you can see that these two lines are parallel to each other. So therefore we can say that, let us, this one is line for equation 1 and this is the line for equation 2. Okay, then if we get this situation, then two lines are parallel, then we can say that system is inconsistent and system have no solution. अगर आपको ग्राफ पर पैरेलल लाइंस मिलती हैं तो उस केस में दोनों इक्वेशंस का कोई भी सॉल्यूशन नहीं निकलेगा, मींस x और y का कोई भी वैल्यू नहीं निकलेगा, और उस केस में हम कहेंगे सिस्टम इज इनकंसिस्टेंट. नाउ मूविंग फॉर नेक्स्ट वन, दैट इज थर्ड कंडीशन, and this is the last condition. So here, when the graph of two equations of system are two coincident lines, the system is said to have infinitely many solutions, that is the system is consistent. तो वन सोल्यूशन मिले या इनफाइनाइट सोल्यूशन मिले उस सिस्टम को हम कंसिस्टेंट बोलेंगे। तो वो सिचुएशन इस तरह की है, मान लीजिए आपका ये ग्राफ पेपर है और इस ग्राफ पेपर में आपकी टू एक्सिस इस तरह से हैं। These are two axes. Let us, this is x positive direction, and this one is x dash, that is negative direction, and this one is by positive direction, and this one is by negative direction. And here if you get a line such as, you will draw a line for this okay, this is the first line, and if you have the another line such as, एक और लाइन आपने ड्रॉ की और वो लाइन आपकी इस तरह से है कि ये लाइन ठीक आपकी इसी लाइन के ऊपर ही इस तरह से कॉन्साइड हो जाती है। Here you can see that these two lines are coincide, means a red lines and a green line both are covered to each other. Then these two lines are known. There are two lines, one is the red line and second one is the green line. And if these two lines are, you will see here, yes, of course, then these two lines are coincident. Okay, in this case we can say that the system have infinitely many solutions, that is yes, of course। इस तरह से अगर एक लाइन के ऊपर दूसरी लाइन भी है तो उसको हम क्या कहते हैं, कॉन्साइडेंट। और कॉन्साइडेंट के केस में हमें क्या होगा कि इनफाइनाइट मैनी सॉल्यूशंस मिलेंगे। वंस अगेन यू विल ऑब्जर्व हियर, एक बार आप इसे फिर देखिएगा, यहां पे टू लाइंस हैं, इस तरह से टू लाइंस हैं। वन इज द लाइन L1 एंड सेकेंड इज द लाइन, ये आपकी एक रेड लाइन है और एक ग्रीन लाइन है, दो इक्वेशंस की लाइन है और दोनों लाइनों का ग्राफ आपको इस तरह से मिलता है। सच एज यू कैन ऑब्जर्व हियर, दीज आर कॉन्साइड टू ईच अदर, एक दूसरे के ठीक ऊपर हैं, तो इसको हम कॉन्साइडेंट बोलेंगे। और इस केस में हमारा सिस्टम कैसा हो जाएगा, इनकंसिस्टेंट नहीं रहेगा, कंसिस्टेंट होगा। एंड देयर आर सो मेनी इनफाइनाइट मैनी सॉल्यूशंस। सो दिस इज द कंडीशन, दैट इज graphical representation. Okay, so let us we will see the solution of a question and try to understand algebraical representation and the graphical representation for a example in the next video. So thank you dear so much.